How to integrate Calendly with Zoom. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can integrate your Calendly with Zoom. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now if you're wondering why you would need to do this, well, it's pretty simple. Sometimes you need your meeting link at the exact same time, and Calendly, you have your calendar set up, it's your meeting time, but you don't have your Zoom link and you don't have your Zoom link. So in this video, whenever it's time for your meeting, you will automatically get your Zoom link because of the integration that we're going to be doing. So having said that, let's just jump into it. So over here to sign up, over here I'm on their website calendly.com, and this is how it looks like. And over here we just simply have to sign up, and the sign up process is very easy. All you have to do is enter in your email address and click on sign up. So let's get to it. And once you have signed up, all you have to do is click on get started. And since I already have my account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. And once you have logged in, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, as you can see, this is your dashboard. Over here, you are going to have all of your events over here. You're going to have all of your scheduled events, workflows, and everything. So as you can see, these are all the events I have. So if you want to create a new event, let's go ahead and do that. First, we're going to create a new event, then we're going to integrate that event with Zoom. So simply click on new event type over here. It's going to take you over here. So what if it's a meeting, right? So one-on-one meeting, or a group meeting, or collective, or round robin, whatever you want. So let's go ahead and click on one-on-one. So we'll just simply click on create, and over here you just simply add in and the event name, location, the description / instructions, and then the event link. So over here, let's just say that it's a meeting with, and then over here you can add a location. So let's go ahead and say Zoom, and Zoom is not connected to Calendly, so let's go ahead and connect that page. So over here, as you can see, I'm on integrations, and over here we have our Zoom integration. With this, you will automatically create Zoom meetings at the time an event is scheduled, instantly share unique conferences dealing upon confirmation, and your Zoom account administrator must pre-approve Calendly in the Zoom marketplace as well. So let's go ahead and click on connect Zoom. It's going to take you over to Zoom, where you just simply have to, log in. Once you have logged in, this is how it's going to look like. So over here is going to be your Calendly, and here is your Zoom account, and over here are your settings, your profile pictures, and all of that. Then you have your product, you have your content, and everything. So let's go ahead and click on allow, and this app over here, and click on allow, and boom, Zoom account has been administrated. So let's go ahead and go to event type, and now let's go ahead and create a new event over here, and let's go ahead and click on one-on-one. Over here, let's just say, and over here we add in the location, we click on Zoom. All right, then over here we add in a description, / instructions. So we can write, like, you can write a detail over here. It's like, for example, you are meeting with the manager, and you're going to be reviewing his career, his work, and also going to be asking the team members about his work, and then you have your meeting over here, and then you can choose the color of the event. So let's go with orange, and then just simply click on next. Wait for a couple of seconds, and over here now you will actually add when can people actually book this account. So over here, date in range, so within a date range or indefinitely into the future. So let's just say within date range. So over here you can add the date. So today is 20th April 2022. So let's just say that it is today. Actually, duration is going to be, let's say, 15 minutes, and use an existing schedule or set a custom hour. You can go ahead and do that as well. So you have your custom hour over here. As you can see, let's go ahead and add a custom hour, and then we only want this meeting to be held on Thursday, at, let's say, 8:45 to 5 p.m. and then just simply you can add 15 minutes before the meeting or the event, and add 15 minutes after the meeting and or the event. You can add additional rules as well, such as start time increments. Basically, set the frequency of available time slots for invitees. So let's just say 30 minutes for everyone. You can schedule the conditions as well. Invitees can schedule within 4 hours of an event start. And you can also allow maximum allowed events per day of this type can be 1. All right, you can add in different time zone locks, secret events as well, and stuff like that. So if it's a secret event, then only the invitees who have this Calendly link can actually schedule with you. So just simply click on next, and then boom, you are good to go. Now you have some other options as well, so like additional options. So you have invitee questions, you have workflow, notification and cancellation policy, confirmation message, and collection payments as well. So it all depends on you. So let's just say you wanted to add like invitee questions, so you can add in the name and the email, and then add in the question over here and save and close. It all depends on you. So you can add that as well. You can add many questions as you like, and boom, you are good to go. So, and then you can even add different guests as well. So yeah, next, just simply click on save and continue, and boom, it's saved. Now over here, and now let's go back to our home page, and boom, as you can see over here, this is how it looks like. And this is the event that we created. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you connect Calendly with your Zoom account, and how you can add different links. So as soon as the time is up, now as soon as time is up and it's ready, when it's done, you can just send out this link to the people that you want to have. And then once the time is ready, they'll automatically get a link, and you'll be good to go. Same thing you can do with other integrations as well. All you have to do is go into integrations, and you can integrate a lot of options, and you can integrate a lot of applications over here, such as Google Meet, GoToMeeting, Slack, Gmail, Google Analytics, calendar connections, PayPal. You got all these other options as well if you wanted to get another app as well. So if you were wondering. So as you can see, I have now finished it on. All I have to do is turn this on, and boom, you are good to go. So I can't basically turn it on, so let me just turn this one on. Okay, let me actually delete these few events over here. Now can I turn it on? So I can't basically turn it on because I don't have a paid account. I only have a basic account, but this is how it basically will look like. So once it's turned on, it will automatically send out links to the invitees, or to the people you have sent this invite link to, and boom, then you are good to go. And that's how you basically do it. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.